What's going on, gearheads? So today we are going to be rubberizing, undercoating, inner coating, I guess you could call it, the new Q-Bomb sub box. Now we're not doing the whole thing inside, we're just doing the corners. In case they missed anything when they put the box together, we want to make sure everything is sealed. Some guys say it helps, some guys say it doesn't do a single thing. Now, to each their own. By the way, check it out. You guys see this hat? The subwoofers that I got, I did have written under this hat when I got them, because the hat came free with the subwoofers and the amp and my stereo radio. 2008. So I had gotten these subs and they've been with me since 2008. Oh my goodness, that's a long time to have speakers. But hey, let's get to it, guys. So first off, before we start spraying, we're removing the speaker wire ports. So now what's next is we are going to spray, we're going to use Flex Shot. I'll have a link in the video description before we start spraying undercoat. And what we're going to do is on the sides, we're just going to go and put this up on all the sides and all the corners. We probably actually don't even have to undercoat, but we will just spray undercoat a little bit inside just in case we miss some corners or something. So stay tuned. Show you guys what we're working with now. So as you can see, we did all the sides here. Just extra. So now we will be doing undercoat. So we're gonna wait a little bit till it dries, and then we're going to go ahead and undercoat in here. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and undercoat since it's all dried. So now we need to go ahead and disconnect the wires from the amp. Yeah, so that should be fun. That shouldn't be too hard to do. Let the fun begin. so not too bad condition for being 11 years old, I believe. They just need cleaned up. We have extra wire is the positive and negative. Wire obviously needs to be longer because since this box was, I mean the depth was not even near close to what this is, so we need to run more wire, but that shouldn't be too big of an issue. Now we try and fit this thing in the vehicle. I mean, we are talking close quarters here. This is close to not fitting. I'll make it fit. Oh my goodness, so we still have to wire it up, but say hello to the Q-bomb. Holy cow. That's, wow. So we gotta put our seat back, and we can push it back a little bit more, but we need it to get to the wires, to connect the wires back through here, but jeez Louise. All right, shall we test? This audio is going to be for another video because it's going to be copyrighted, so stay tuned.